Hello fellow E36 fans, this is a 1992 E36, and for that reason it doesn't seem to match a few of the other E36s in one important way when it comes to the rear trailing arm bushing, the rtab. So the best advice I found out there was a guy who drilled through the bushing in order to get it out, avoiding using the specialty tool for the removal. But in order to get this kind of space here, to get the trailing arm to come down, you got to remove there's two bolts holding the brake lines on. So at least in the 92, that's how that works. There's two bolts back there. You pop those off, and then that trailing arm can come down. If you don't do that, well, then all the weight of this is going to be on your brake lines, and that's no good, right? So get that disconnected first before you start to lower this out. It was pretty rusty in here, fought me a lot, but ultimately I ended up drilling this out. Getting in a little closer. I ended up drilling this thing out, but the first thing I did was take a Sawzall. I can't find the video for it, but there was a guy who used a Sawzall on this job, and it seemed to me to be a great combination with that drill. So anyway, I don't know if this is OEM or not, but I've had the car since '98, so this has never been done. And all I did was kind of come along this way and cut that face off, and this is that tip towards the outside of the car. All right, so I came along like this and just cut that face off, taking off most of this stuff and then exposing the rubber, because it's got like a pot metal all the way around it. So a bimetal blade in your saw, and then I just took the drill and went straight on in, and then wobbled that bit back and forth a bit until I had a pretty good hole opened up. Then I went back to the Sawzall so that I could do some serious damage that way and kind of cut into the wall there. Then finally cut myself a piece out, and then it removed with some channel locks. So once I got the Sawzall steps started, I suppose I was about 10 minutes to get that piece out. So now it's just wire brush and insertion of the new part. But I thought that might help somebody. Good luck to y'all.